Good morning, friends. Welcome to Mathematical Adda. My name is Anirudh Kumar Singh, and we are covering the chapter which is called trigonometrical ratios, and we are on the question number third of the trigonometrical ratios, and we are covering up this question, and we have all next parts which you can watch, go and watch in our channel. Now we will start. So the question is from the figure find sec theta. So this is our figure given here, and we have to find sec theta. Theta is this, which is acute, and now we have to find. First of all, we have to separate this triangle, which will give us. Now we have got theta, and this is B, and this is D, and this is A. Now A and D does not has value, and AB also does not has value, and BD also does not has a value. So we will take out the values from this triangle, whole triangle. It says that BC is equal to 21 and DC is equal to 5. So in order to find the value of BD, we have to subtract the value of BC from DC. So BD is equals to BC minus DC, which will give us BC is 21 minus DC is 5, and it will give us 16. So 21 minus subtracted by 5 will give us 16. Now we have found the value of BD, which is 16. Now we will find the value of AD and AB. So in this triangle, this ADC triangle, A and C is 13, D and C is 5. So now by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the line which is dotted line AD. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC, which is 13, AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. So AC's value is 13, which will be whole squared. AD's value we have to find, so it will remain AD square, and DC square is 5. 5 will be whole squared. Now 13 square is 169. 5 square is AD square. 5 square is 25. Now 25 will be transferred here, 169 minus 25, and it will give us the value of AD square. Now 169 subtracted by 25 will give us 144, and it will give us AD square. Now 144 is the perfect square of 12, so 12 is our AD. Now the value of AD is 12. Now we have find the value of the two sides of this triangle, in which AD is 12, BD is 16. Now we will find by Pythagoras theorem AB of this triangle, which will give us AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. Now AB square will remain as AB square because we have to find its value. BD square will be 16 whole square plus AD square will be 12 whole square. Now AB square, which will give us 16 square is 256 plus 12 square is 144, which will be added, and we will get the value of AB square as 400. Now 400 is the perfect square of 20. So we have got the value of AB as 20. Now we will find sec theta of our question. So the formula of sec theta is hypotenuse divided by base. So hypotenuse of our triangle is 20, hypotenuse of our triangle is AB, and base of our triangle is BD. So AB is 20 and BD is 16. These both will be cancelled by 2. 2 tens are 20, 2 8s are 16. This also will be cancelled by 2. 2 5 are 10, or 2 4 are 8, and 2 4 are 8. So this can be this fraction can be directly cancelled by 4, or you can cancel it by 2 and 2. Now we have found the value of sec theta, and we are moving to our next question. So we are moving to our next question, which states that from the figure find sin x, cot squared x minus cos x squared x, sec y, tan squared y minus 1 by cos squared y. So in order to find these ratios, first we have to find all the sides of a triangle. So first we will find the side which is AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the side which is AB. By Pythagoras theorem, AB is the hypotenuse, so it will be squared, AB square, and these both values will be squared. AD square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB square, which will give us, it has no value, so it will be written as AB square. AD square has the value 4, so it will be squared, whole squared, plus BD has the value 3, it will also be whole squared. Now AB square will give us 4 4s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. So AB square is equals to 25. These both values will add up to 25, and 25 is the perfect square of 5. So we will get the value of AB, which is 5. So we have got the value of AB 5. So now we will find the value which is DC. So DC will be founded by Pythagoras theorem, which will be AC square will be equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. So now AC has a value of 12, it will be whole squared. AD has a value of 4, it will be whole squared plus DC square. Now we have got this equation, so now we will equate 12 square is 144, 4 square is 16 plus DC square. Now 16 will be transferred here. 144 which will be distracted by 16 will give us DC square. 144 minus 16 is 128, which will be equal to DC square. Now here we will first take out the LCM for simplifying 128. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 32, 16, it will be 8, it will be 4, and now it will be 1. So there are 7 2s in a row, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the 7th one. This is the 7th one. So we can write this as this. In these two, one will be taken out. In these two, one will be taken out. In these two, one will be taken out. This does not have a square pair, so it will be remaining inside the root. Then these both values will be rooted to find the value of DC. So DC will be 128 will be rooted, and it will give us, these two are in a square pair, so these two will be multiplied together. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, which will give us 8 root 2. As this 2 is alone, this does not have a square pair, so this 2 will remain in the root sign. So we have found the value of DC, which is 8 root 2. Now we will find the trigonometrical ratios given to us. We will write here 8 root 2. So our first trigonometrical ratio is sin x. So if there is in front of the trigonometrical ratio x is written, so we will consider this triangle as the angle of the acute angle is x. The acute angle is x. So this triangle will be considered for sin x. So sine has the value, sine has the formula of height divided by hypotenuse. So height of this triangle is 4. Height of this triangle will be, first we have to write the sides, which is AD divided by hypotenuse is AB. So AD's value is 4 and AB's value is 5. So now we have got the value of sin x. Now we will find cot x. So now again this triangle will be referred to this cot x as x is an acute angle and here is x. So cot has the value, cot has the formula of base divided by height. Cot x, formula of cot x is BD, the formula of cot x is base divided by height. So base of our triangle is BD and the height of our triangle is AD. So BD is 3 and AD is 4. Now we have got the value of cot x. So we can find the value of cot squared x minus cos x squared x. So in order to find cot squared x minus cos x squared x, we will first find the value of cosec x. So cosec x is just the reciprocal of sin x, which also has the formula of hypotenuse divided by height. So hypotenuse of our triangle is AB and height of our triangle is AD. So AB is 5 and AD is 4. So we have got the value by the formula and it is same as the reciprocal of this fraction. Now we will find cot squared x minus cosec squared x. So cot x value is 3 by 4. So this will be squared minus cosec squared x will be 5 by 4 whole square. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, minus 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. As the denominators are same, it is termed as like fraction. So these both the values will be minus and it will become minus 16 divided by 16. 16 and 16 will be cancelled and our answer will become minus 1 of cot squared x minus cosec squared x. So now our fourth equation will be to find the value of sec y. So sec value is this triangle will be considered for as the variable written here is y and this is also y at the acute angle. So the formula of sec is hypotenuse divided by base. So hypotenuse of this triangle is AC and base of this triangle is DC. AC is 12 and DC is 8 root 2. These both will be cancelled by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now we have got the value of sec y as 2 root 2. 3 divided by 2 root 2. It was our fourth question. Now we will find tan y, tan squared y minus cos squared y. So in order to find tan squared y minus cos squared y, we will first find the value of tan y. As there is y, so this triangle will be considered as y is an acute angle. The value of tan is height divided by base, so height of this triangle is AD and base of this triangle is DC. So height is 4 and this is 8 root 2, base 4 ones are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So it will become 1 by 2 root 2 which is tan y. And now we will find cos y. Cos y. So y is written here and y is acute, so this triangle will be referred ADC. So the value of cos is base divided by hypotenuse. So base of our triangle is DC and hypotenuse of our triangle is AC. So it will become 12 divided by 8 root 2, which will give us this cos y is dc divided by ac. So this is some sort of reciprocal. We will write the base up here and hypotenuse 12 here. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. This fraction will give us 2 root 2 divided by 3. Now we have found the value of cos y. Now we will find the value of tan squared y minus cot squared y. So we are continuing our fifth question over here, which is tan squared y minus 1 by cos squared y. So tan y's value is 1 by root 2, 2 root 2, which will be squared, minus 1 by cos squared y, which will be squared, 1 divided by cos squared y. So cos y is 2 root 2 divided by 3, which will be whole squared. Now 1 square is 1 and 2 root 2 square will become 2 square will become 4 and root 2 square will become 2, minus 1 square will become 1 and 2 root 2 square will become 4 into 2, which is the same case, divided by 3. Now 3 will be reciprocated over here and it will become 1 by 4 2s are 8 minus 3 will be coming up. This is another thing. 3 will be coming up here and 3 into 1 is 3 and 4 2s are 8. So 8 and 8 are like fractions. These both are like fractions, so denominator wouldn't be subtracted. Minus 3 will be subtracted by 1, which will become minus 2 by 8. These both the values will be cancelled and we will give our value as minus 1 by 4. We have found the answer to all the trigonometrical ratios in our question.